everyone. Welcome to EA Home Design. Thanks for joining. Today's episode we will know the 7 things every modern bedroom should have. So let's start today's episode. Number 1. A bloody good mattress. You owe it to your back to invest in a really good mattress, guys. The days of being able to slum it on a futon are well and truly over, so look for something pocket-sprung and luxurious, with a nice long guarantee, and really experiment to find the right firmness for you. Number 2. Stunning bed linen. Beautiful bed linen is a right, not a privilege, as what can be nicer than slipping into some high thread count sheets at the end of a long and arduous day? Invest in 2 or 3 really high quality sets and simply rotate them, rather than buying endless cheap linen sets. Number 3. Luscious pillows. Flat, lackluster pillows have no place in your dreamy bedroom, so it's time to chuck them out and get some really plump, sumptuous replacements. Goose down is a popular choice, but for all the vegans in the house, you will be able to find some amazing bamboo memory foam versions that are hypoallergenic as well. Number 4. A beautiful rug. Nothing ties a room together quite like a rug, and that goes double in a bedroom. Offering just the right amount of warmth and softness underfoot, a cleverly placed rug will lessen the blow of early mornings and cold floors, while also looking beautiful. Number 5. A handy bedside table. You might not think that you need a bedside table, but they are so handy. A lamp for some ambient lighting, some reading material, and even day-to-day accessories can all be stowed on them safely and neatly, so why would you try to go without? Number 6. A big dose of color. In an otherwise neutral bedroom, nothing has quite as much impact as a really bold burst of vibrant color, so how about being a little braver than usual and choosing a bright bed frame? With a really striking headboard, you'll guarantee all eyes are focused on your furniture. Number 7. Some out there artwork. Speaking of artwork, you should always try to have something a little exciting up on your walls. It could be anything from a single enigmatic framed print, a treasured photograph, or a fabulous custom mural. Just make sure it speaks to you. Today our episode so far. If you like our video, then please like, comment and subscribe. And EA Home Design is always by your side to decorate your home and make any changes.